Hey everyone, welcome back to MSM Zone. Today we're diving into a brand new traffic generation tool that claims to deliver over 1,500 targeted clicks every day, earning up to $3,795 daily. If you're tired of the never-ending traffic struggle, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's get into my full review of Boss Traffic to see if it really delivers on its promises. So, what exactly is Boss Traffic? Boss Traffic is a cutting-edge web-based platform specifically designed to generate targeted traffic for your website, offers, or affiliate links. Developed by Fergal Downs, it combines various methods to pull traffic from social media, search engines, and even direct website visits. The tool focuses on quality, bringing in engaged visitors who are likely to buy or convert. It's a beginner-friendly system that claims you can get set up in less than 10 minutes. Let's look at the key features that Boss Traffic offers. Step-by-step training. Boss Traffic provides a step-by-step video series that breaks down the entire process. Whether you're a newbie or seasoned marketer, these tutorials are very easy to follow. Set and forget system. You set it up once and it continuously generates traffic without the need for daily maintenance. Just configure it and the traffic is supposed to keep flowing in 3 Done for you follow-up series. They provide a pre-built follow-up series which is incredibly valuable. This feature can help you convert traffic into sales over a few days, making it a great addition for affiliate marketers and anyone looking to build passive income. Traffic from multiple sources. Boss Traffic pulls in visitors from platforms like social media, SEO, and other hidden channels that give your traffic strategy more variety. User-friendly interface. If you're someone who finds tech challenging, Boss Traffic is built to be user-friendly. You don't need any coding or special skills. Just follow the steps in the setup and you're good to go. Let's quickly walk through the 3 steps of using Boss Traffic. 1. Step 1. Initial setup. After purchasing, you'll get access to all the training and instructions. The setup process takes less than 10 minutes and involves following the training videos to connect Boss Traffic with your chosen links or offers too. Step 2. Activate the traffic hack. Boss Traffic uses what they call a traffic hack, which, although proprietary, seems to be a mix of social signals, SEO, and engagement strategies. You just activate it, and the system takes it from there. Step 3. Monitor sales and scale. Up. Once the traffic starts rolling in, Boss Traffic provides analytics so you can see where your clicks are coming from and which links are performing best. As the traffic builds, you can scale up by adding more links or offers. With just these 3 steps, the tool promises to bring in steady traffic in under 24 hours. Now let's talk pricing. The front-end version of Boss Traffic costs just $1,295, which is pretty reasonable for a lifetime purchase. Boss Traffic also has several upsells to add value, such as OTO 1, Done for You 27. Pre-built traffic funnels that you can plug in and start using immediately. OTO 2, Mass-free traffic training 17. Extra training to scale up your traffic. OTO 3, Empire VIP Club 2. A small subscription that gives you access to exclusive content and updates, and so on. You don't need to buy all of these, but the first upgrade, Done for You, can be a good choice if you're looking for fast results without much extra work. Let's look at some pros and cons. Pros. 1. Affordable. At $12.95, it's accessible to just about anyone, to newbie-friendly. No special skills needed, you can set it up and go 3. Automation. Once set up, you don't have to worry about managing it daily. Money-back guarantee. There's a 90-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. Cons. Limited transparency. Boss Traffic doesn't disclose all of its methods, so you may wonder exactly where your traffic is coming from. Reliance on pre-written content. Some users may find the pre-built follow-up series limiting in terms of personalization. Traffic quality. Since it's not fully transparent, the quality of traffic could be unpredictable. So, is Boss Traffic worth it? I'd say it's a solid choice for beginners and even experienced marketers who need a simple, affordable way to generate extra traffic. It may not be for you if you're looking for complete control over every aspect of your traffic, but it's fantastic if you want a plug-and-play solution. And with a 90-day refund policy, there's not much risk. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this review. If Boss Traffic sounds like something you'd like to try, I've included a link in the description, where you can grab it along with a special bonus package to boost your traffic even more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.